In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF file with Claude AI. We'll move from finding Claude to getting a clean, readable summary of your document, all inside your browser. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. This keeps things simple and works the same on most devices. In the search bar, type Claude AI. You should see results for Claude's official site. Click the link that points to the Claude.ai domain so you land on the correct page. Once you're in, you'll be on a new chat page. Look for the plus sign. This is where you upload your PDF. Click the plus sign and choose your file, or drag and drop it into the window. Give it a moment to finish uploading, especially if the file is large. If the name of the PDF looks right and you see it attached, you're good to proceed. Next, move to the message box and write your prompt. A straightforward prompt works well, so type, "Summarize this PDF." Clear, direct instructions help the model know exactly what you want. If you want a concise overview or something a bit more detailed, you can mention that in the same prompt, but keep it simple to start. Summarize this PDF is perfect. Before sending, click on Use Style. Styles are presets that guide the tone and structure of the response. For a study-friendly, easy-to-skim summary, choose Learning. This style focuses on clarity, key concepts, and takeaways, which is ideal for understanding a document quickly. Now click Submit. The model will begin processing your file and preparing the summary. Processing time varies with file size and complexity, so a brief wait is normal. If Claude asks you a question for context, fill it out. This is designed to tailor the summary to your needs. For example, you might specify whether you need a high-level overview, the main arguments, or the practical recommendations. You can also note who the summary is for, like a general reader or someone familiar with the topic. These details help the output match your goals without you having to rewrite your prompt. When you've provided the context, click Submit again. Claude will generate the summary based on your file, your prompt, the learning style, and the context you supplied. You should see a result that captures the core ideas, highlights essential points, and makes the document easier to grasp in less time. And that's it. You've just turned a PDF into an accessible summary using Claude AI by uploading the file, giving a clear prompt, applying the learning style, and providing brief context when asked. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined reading.